Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Today we are going to start with vowels. Can you please tell me which are the vowels we have learned in junior KG? First, we will revise ABCD. In junior we have done capital A to Z, small a to Z. Now we will revise small a to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now A to Z, these are total 26 alphabet. Out of this 26, this 5, A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are the vowels. Vowels are very important. With the help of vowels, we make words. For making words, vowels are very important. Today, we will learn first vowel, that is A. Now we will see how we use this vowel in word. We are using A sound. We are learning today A sound. First is B-A-T, bat. Please repeat with me. B-A-T, bat. Next comes C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. Can you tell me which word will come after cat? Yes, next comes F-A-T, fat. F-A-T, fat. F-A-T, fat. After that, our next word is H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. Repeat with me please. H-A-T, hat. Next comes M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. Have you seen this? We are for making words, a vowel is important. Okay, thank you.